I'm out here in the garage this morning just piddling around. Wife and I were headed to a cruise in this morning, but it just started pouring down rain, so it's been raining most of the day. It's a little bit afternoon right now, and I think it just finally stopped raining about a half an hour ago. But anyway, I was over here at Model Car Videos channel, Matt. Y'all know him, and I thought I'd saw one of these over there, and I did, and I remember now because he built one some months back. But I'm going to show y'all what I got in mind. First, this one here's my 37. I got the letting the paint and gas out. I got it all painted. There's the rolling chassis, and there I've got all the engine parts in there all cleaned up. I'm getting ready to start the assembly or start the painting on that. And there's another bag of parts over there. But anyway, wife and I were over at Owensboro, Kentucky, at an old two-story school that's now it's called Preservation Station. It's now a kind of like an antique mall, and the old cafeteria down in the lower level is a restaurant, and once a month vendors come in, and in the gymnasium they have live music, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, we were there, and I was looking for models, and I never saw a Model 1. So while we were in Owensboro, we decided to stop at the Hobby Lobby, and this is what I picked up. And this is what I saw on Matt's channel. And he made a pro street out of this. And boy, I tell you, I pulled this out of the box this morning, and look what I mocked up here. Man, that just looks tough, doesn't it? Look at those big old meats on the back. I just got it kind of mocked up, shoved those tires underneath there, see what it would look like. And man, that's looking killer, I gotta tell you. I've got the 67 Chevelle and the 66 Nova chassis that I can use to put up underneath here, and I think that's what I'm going to do. Man, I'm just really digging this, because you know, y'all, if you've been watching my channel, I just finished this 40 Ford coupe, and this is the 40 Ford sedan delivery, and this, I think this AMT released this in 2019. So man, I tell you what, that just looks killer. I just love the stance of that. That looks perfect the way it is right there. So that right there, boys, that's going to be a pro street down the road, I guarantee you. And one of those chassis will be going underneath it. I'm thinking probably that one, but I'm going to check out both. But I just dig that. That just looks cool. So, alright fellas, just thought I'd pop on here and give you a little update on just out here messing around in the garage and trying some things, and come up with something pretty cool. Alright, I'm done.